In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your website's title tags in Wix. If you want your website to appear more clearly in search results, updating your title tags is a simple but important step. A title tag is the headline people usually see on Google when your page appears in search results, so it should be accurate, clear, and relevant to the page content. To begin, go to your Wix dashboard and click Edit Site. This will open the Wix editor. Give the editor a moment to fully load before moving on because some options may not appear right away if the page is still loading. Once you're inside the editor, look over to the left side of the toolbar and click Pages and Menu. In some Wix layouts, this may also appear as Site Menu, but it serves the same purpose. This section lets you manage the pages on your site and choose exactly which page you want to update. Now find the specific page whose title tag you want to edit. When you see it, click the More Actions icon next to the page name. This is usually shown as 3 dots. Clicking that icon opens a drop-down menu with additional settings for that page. From that menu, choose SEO Basics. In some versions of Wix, this option may be labeled Page SEO instead. Either way, this is where you can control important search engine settings for the selected page. Once you're in the SEO settings, locate the field labeled Title Tag. This is where you will enter the title you want search engines to display as you write or revise your title tag. Try to keep it between 50 and 60 characters. That range is recommended because Google often cuts off titles that are too long, which can make them look incomplete in search results. Aim for a title that clearly describes the page and includes the most important wording near the beginning. After you've finished editing the title tag, make sure to click Publish in the top right corner of the Wix editor. This step is essential because your changes won't appear on the live website until the site is published. And that's it. You've successfully updated your website's title tag in Wix. Thanks for watching.